friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am sharing some Halloween DIY recipes with Revive essential oils. I recently did a few videos for them to share on their social media, and I'm also going to share them on my Instagram, so make sure you check that out too. But I wanted to share them here and just talk through them because I think they're really fun, and there's some really cool bottles and stuff that I got specifically for the Halloween DIY theme, and so I am going to share them here. Before we get started though, I just relaunched my Etsy shop and I have a bunch of digital guides for you guys: aromatherapy, essential oil journal, planner, guides like hormones and using oils with dogs, all kinds of things. So make sure you check that out. I will put the link here and down in the description. I have 3 different videos that I did for them, and there are different recipes for each one. So make sure you click to the blog post down below. I will have the recipes listed. I can maybe put them on the screen too, but I know it's easier just to see it and like snapshot it. So the first one is Diffuser Blends, and this is like diffuser balm where you're like mixing some singles. You're making your own blend to have in a dropper bottle like this, or any kind of bottle really that you can make your own diffuser blend. So I thought these bottles were really cool. They came in a pack of, I don't know, maybe 12 or so. So I got a few of them and I just labeled them all with my favorite label maker, which I will also share with you. But this is Witch's Brew, Haunted Forest, and Ghostly Whisper. Witch's Brew is my favorite. It kind of smells, just has all of those fall like herb earthy tones, but it also has patchouli. It smells really, really good. I love this one. But making your own just cute in a festive bottle diffuser blend is really fun. And then this is my label maker. So this is, I think Katya Symbol is the brand. It's from Amazon. It's, I don't know exactly, but I will link it below. This is the best one though that I have found, and I'm filming on my phone, otherwise I would show you now, but it connects to the app. So you turn it on, there's a little button, and then you can choose your different fonts and sizes, and it's so much easier than just typing out. And more, I love the different fonts, and it actually prints on. So also the other thing, I was going to take a label off something. Maybe I'll just do this one. So they also remove way easier and don't leave a sticky residue. So if you're someone like me and you like to reuse bottles and relabel things, if you change up a recipe and you have like ingredients, you need to change the stickers. Anyways, I hate stickers that leave the residue that you need a lemon essential oil to take off. Anyways, this is the best label maker that I have found, and it's really cheap. I think it's like 17 bucks. So these bottles, label maker, and all of the essential oils for each of these recipes will be linked in the blog post. The second thing that I made for them were some potions, which I thought was really fun too. I found these bottles on Amazon. Also, these are black glass dropper bottles. So they have a little dropper vial, and it's glass as well. I also labeled this one. I made one, and this is the love potion. So this is a massage oil. It has ylang ylang in it. I think Revive also has just like a love or a romance blend or something like that, but different potions. The other ones that I have for recipes are a sleep well spell or sleep spell. So you could label this one sleep spell. And then that one is lavender, chamomile, cedarwood. The recipe again will be in the post. And then lastly, a protection elixir. So you can also label, and it's frankincense, tea tree, eucalyptus, and lemon. But honestly, for that one, you could just buy their immunity boost and make a diluted elixir for immunity protection, whatever you want to call it. But these bottles were super fun. I'll link them down below. And then the last thing that I made for them for Halloween is a cool face mask, and you could go a couple of different routes with this. You can make like green witchy mask. I just made a black one because I love activated charcoal. I bought this on Amazon. This is Star West Botanicals, but this is a big bag of activated charcoal powder. So this is what makes it obviously black in color. And then I also added kaolin clay, which this is Revive's. Another big bag of it will last you forever if you're making DIYs like this. And you can mix it all together. I might just put the videos so you'll see it here on the side of me making it. Oh, I lied. There are actually 4 things. Anyways, the face mask is the charcoal, the kaolin clay, some aloe vera gel, which is really you can get anywhere. Amazon is good. I think mine was from Simply Earth, but just aloe vera gel, and make sure that that's the only ingredient. It's not like a blend, because I know a lot of aloe veras, bright green ones, or just different ones you can get at like Walgreens are not just aloe vera. So just a tip on that. And then I added 2 drops of frankincense to the mask in the little bowl that I mixed it up with, and then 1 drop of geranium. Now you can customize this in whatever your skincare needs may be. I have an entire post on what essential oils are good for each skin type and skin concerns. So you could make a mask with tea tree if you are dealing with acne problems currently, but I just did frankincense and geranium because those are 2 great like universal skincare loving essential oils. And make sure when you use the mask, oh, it felt so good. I made my husband do it too, but it goes on really great and then it dries fast and you wipe it off, and my skin felt so good for a few days. And so I think I might use that mask maybe like once a week now. I really loved it. And then the last thing that I made, and it's just something simple, so that's why I forgot about it, but a roller, a Trick or Treat immune roller. And again, I found these matte black roller bottles on Amazon, labeled it with my favorite label maker. They're actually really nice rollers too. And then I just used the immunity boost that I already shared. This is a blend. This is their version of Thieves. So it's clove, lemon, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. The essential oil power cream that is super effective at combating germs, even when diffused in the air. It also smells really good too. It smells like fall, cinnamony. So that is the roller. Maybe I'll put some other like fall rollers in this blog post too, just to have a couple of different blends to have variety. But I think that was it. I am working on Thanksgiving videos for them now, and I'm really excited. Thanksgiving, oh my gosh, from now on is the best. I love this season so much because it's just so cozy and warm, and people are coming over, and you're gift giving and being thankful and sharing gratitude, sharing food most importantly. And so I'm just really excited about this season coming up, and maybe I will share a video like this once I do their videos for Thanksgiving too, and explain them in further detail like I did. But let me know if you liked this video. Again, check out my Etsy shop. I will put the link for that down below, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.